Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming backups and securing credentials because you may overwrite data during recovery. Once done, download the media creation tool on a working PC and create a bootable Windows 10 USB 8 GB. Make sure your target PC is set to boot from USB in BIOS/UEFI. Restart and press the key to enter settings. You'll need admin rights to run the installer. This gets you immediately to the recovery environment without extra waiting. You'll see Install Now. Instead, choose Repair Your Computer if you want System Restore options, or proceed with Install Now for a full reinstall. When prompted, pick whether to keep personal files or perform a clean install. Keep files preserves your data, but may retain issues. Make sure to select the correct drive or partition. Use disk management to confirm sizes and labels if unsure. Once choices are made, the installer copies files and applies updates automatically, so monitor progress and don't interrupt power. Once installation finishes, you complete the out-of-box experience. Create or sign into your account, set privacy options, and let Windows Update install drivers. You should then check Device Manager and update any missing drivers from the vendor site for stability. If you encounter boot failures or errors, reboot into safe mode to run System Restore or SFC/Scano and DISM repairs. If those fail, reinstall from the USB and choose Clean Install. This final step resolves most remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.